cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make one pot chicken and potato. Guys, trust me, it's gonna be super delicious. I'm gonna also make a nice gravy to go with it. Trust me, it's gonna be so yummy. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So in my bowl right here, I've got 6 chicken breasts, and I also have 1.5 carrot that I cut, as you can see. I have 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme and at least 4 cloves of garlic. I also have half onion right here that I cut. My potatoes, I have some baby potatoes. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have 2 teaspoons of my complete seasoning, 1 tablespoon of my garlic powder, 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of my cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my paprika, 1 teaspoon of my black pepper, 1 teaspoon of my poultry seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of my adobo seasoning. Okay? Yes. So guys, my chicken is already washed and clean in some lemon juice. So firstly, I'm just gonna add some oil. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning. I add at least 1 tablespoon of my oil. I'm gonna mix my seasoning so it combine. This meal, guys, is gonna be like a family meal. It's gonna be super delicious, and it's very easy. Very easy. That's it. Now I'm gonna add my seasoning. I'm not gonna add all of it. I'm gonna leave back some of it for my gravy. Just gonna mix it in. Make sure that you massage all that seasoning all over on your chicken. I'm gonna add a bit more of my seasoning. You can leave your chicken to marinate for at least 15 minutes or so. As you can see, it is nicely seasoned. It looks so good already. Perfect. So guys, I just washed my potato and I'm just gonna cut them in 2. I have at least 9 potato right there in my bowl. Finish cut my potatoes. Just gonna add it to my bowl and I'm gonna give them another wash. So now guys, I'm gonna fry my chicken breast. So I just wanna see how hot the oil is. I add at least 2 tablespoons of my oil to my pan, and I'm gonna fry my chicken breast for at least 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Okay? I'm not gonna add all my chicken at once. I'm gonna add at least 3. So now I'm gonna turn it over. Nice and brown. So now I'm gonna remove these. I'm gonna add my remaining chicken. So now guys, I'm gonna make my gravy. So the same pan that I used to fry my chicken, I'm gonna make my gravy into it. All you do, you just remove, you know, most of the oil as possible. So I'm gonna add at least over 1 tablespoon of butter. You can add unsalted butter, okay? You don't want to wash your pot. This is where all the flavor is. You're gonna allow it to melt. So while my butter is melting, I'm gonna add my garlic. I'm just gonna allow it to saute just for a couple of seconds. Just after 15 seconds or so, I'm gonna add my onion. I'm just gonna allow it to saute for at least another 15 to 20 seconds. So now I'm gonna add my flour. I'm gonna add at least 2 tablespoons of my flour, plain flour. Just gonna mix it all in. So guys, the reason why I'm doing it this way, because I want to take away all that flour taste away from my gravy. So make sure you do not skip this part, okay? And I want to make a nice thick gravy. Yeah, so just after 20 seconds or so, now I'm gonna add some water. If you have any chicken broth, you can also use chicken broth. So this water in my bowl, guys, is around over 3.5 cups of water from my kettle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add all my remaining seasoning that I have leave back. Gonna give it a stir. I'm gonna add it to my pot. Make sure you take your time. And you wanna mix it as you're adding it.
Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.
See, it's becoming nice and smooth. My stove is on a low heat. Try not to turn up your stove too high. I'm gonna add at least ½ teaspoon of my salt. What you can do, you can also taste it to your liking, okay? I'm gonna add some browning, and this browning is for gravy. If you don't have any browning, you can also use dark soya. You only need a drop of browning. You don't need a lot. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna add some more of my black pepper. And as I said, you just add to your liking. And guys, I'm just gonna leave it for at least 1 minute, okay? So guys, just after 1 minute, this is what it look like. And what I did, I end up adding some more of my browning because I want it to look, you know, a bit more darker. So this color is perfectly for me. So guys, I changed my pot and I use a deeper pot, as you can see. So now I'm gonna firstly add my chicken. It looks absolutely delicious. Then I'm gonna add all my carrots. My potatoes. I'm gonna add all the liquid from the bowl. that my chicken was in. What you can do, you can just add this sauce and just cover the potato with this sauce. Also add my fresh thyme. I'm gonna leave it, guys, to cook for at least 35 minutes, but I will let you guys know on exactly how long. Now guys, I'm gonna cover my pot and just allow it to cook, okay? Make sure that your pot is sealed because you want everything to cook properly, okay? So see you back. So guys, it is all finished and I'm telling you, it looks super delicious. It came out perfect. It's been cooking for at least 35 to 40 minutes in total. Trust me guys, this recipe right here, it is a must try. I'm so loving it. Look on the gravy. You can see it is nice and thick and it just looks so yummy. I'm just poking a fork in my potato just to see how soft it is. And guys, you don't want your potato to be too soft, okay? You want it to be nice and firm, so that's perfect.
For more of these amazing, delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking.
So now guys, as you can see, I'm just plenting it all up. Make sure to like this video and share it. I'll really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video. You will be the first to see it. Guys, I mean, just look at it. It looks super delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. If you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye and enjoy.